Hello, Mzenzi. It's Ogasuko. Mojoli, the man who has been taking content of the young Mohammed Mokoena, is now being accused of scamming the public, collecting money using Mohammed's name without the family's knowledge. South Africa wants answers and accountability.
Yeah. Tshware. Ropa. Batla kholi. Ekse. Dutse ntwana hao e.
Yeah, that's my father, boy.
Emma, can you tell language ya here no more?
Emma hanya no, I go muzuru na kimukuru. Salama. He doesn't want to speak. Not.
O go batla tara ka mo dinega. Kholi tona ka tsama bohloko jwang ba fethu. Tona ka tsama bohloko ba. Ke a kopa le nthuse sebaka.
Mohammed is a young boy from Sasolburg living with a rare kidney and feet condition. Recently underwent a successful surgery thanks to genuine donations, but Mr. Ramuru claims that Mojoli continued raising funds pretending that it was for Mohammed, even though he is no longer part of the journey. Ramuru says that this scam has caused serious damage and creating confusion and destroying trust. So there's this account that is proving where Mojoli is still collecting funds under Mohammed's name. So I saw these comments. Nzanze, I'm going to translate it to English or either Spedi because wow, Sesotho or Sesotho sampallanyan. So ore amara story sena ke sa khale ene ge ke gopola ile taba e ke ile ya lokishiwa. So o sa pheta gape no. And then Spado ore yes, o sa ipheta girl. Allegedly he continued or has started again, but he claims he is innocent and someone is using his account number. Le nna ke a ipotsa hore o sa ipheta na hobane ile a kopa tshwarelo, meaning that Mojoli did scam people because he came forward and asked for forgiveness. Also, why is Mojoli inboxing us asking for donations? And then Koketo Are, but B.I. Pagati sent him money. Where is Mokwena's mom today? Guys, it's December. People will do anything.